Hello and welcome to Martin Lucas Investors channel. My name is Sensei Crypto and we're here doing a special stream for you guys. Let me zoom in on my face a little bit more. I always get this wrong, I apologize. Thank you for tuning in. We have a special. We all enjoyed just watching Martin's show there. It was a very funny stream. There's a lot going on, a little bit chaotic, but I love to see it. Thank you all for tuning in. Thank you for... Oh. Always get this wrong. I apologize. I've got something playing. Yeah, so we've got the mug purchases. So thank you very much for the purchase of the mugs. That means we are live. If anyone purchased the mug and wants a review, we can do a full review for you guys. Thank you. Boo! It was great. It was a good show. I enjoyed it. This show is rubbish. I mean, let's see what the viewers think. I'm joking. I do love a show like that. Everyone purchased the mugs. Let me see how many. Let me refresh this. I think there's only 9 of these available. 1 magic mug left. Or it might be no magic mugs. That might update in a little bit. But yeah, 9 available, 1 there. So we did get more than our 2 mugs. So we're definitely going live. Let's have a look at some important topics, which XRP is doing amazingly. Have we seen $2.42? We are back above a very important level of $2.41. If that holds, that is very good news. Remember, $2 bullish divergence that can take us to all-time highs. It's looking even more likely now, which is very, very, very nice to see. And now we've got a terrible poll in the chat. Is this show rubbish? Let's... If it's rubbish, I'll just end it. I'll end the show. Let's see what that poll says. We'll see what people think. I'll end the show, Martin. I promise. Sensei, you're better with charts versus merchandise. Just saying. Classic car nuts. It is me and Martin who do the mugs. But yeah, no, the merchandise is going to meet. I mean, it's been out 3 days and it's nearly sold out. So it's supposed to be for the month of January. I imagine it'll be finished by the weekend, and that'll be the end of that. So thank you everyone for the support. Let's start from the beginning. James was here, and smash the like button on your way in. Thank you very much, James, for reminding me. Please do hit that like button if you have just tuned in, and if you haven't done already, please do subscribe. Lawrence says he's light. Guys, is this live? Says Jaren L. But yes, this is live. Congratulations on your mug. Stacey Bailey has ordered you one. So please do thank Stacey. And I just want to remind anyone, if you want to buy a mug, we can't do it through super chats. We can't do it privately. It's very, very difficult, and we need to keep everything legitimate. It is I am running it for Martin, so there's not many ways he can do it. So if you want a mug, purchase on the website. If someone wants to purchase it for you, you can arrange that yourself. And that's what Stacey has done for Jerry Elwood, so congratulations. Archer is here. Hello, how are you doing? Has your mug arrived yet? I imagine everyone's mugs will be arriving next week, and we can all share it on the channel. Archer, we did Poly Swarm for you, didn't we? I think some people said they made some profits from it since that review. We can have a look at it. Boo, it was great. This show's rubbish. Martin, I don't think everyone's agreeing with you. 56% say no. The majority doesn't think this show's rubbish. Please check out Martin Lucas merchandise. Martin Lucas limited edition mugs available. Yes, I want to explain something because Martin did a very poor job of explaining this. The website, the mugs, that is official. That's not bootleg. That is me and Martin's website merchandise. I run it for Martin. That is the official store. The other one is a bit out of date. That's Martin's own store. Who really likes it? It's a bit old, outdated. We like to use the new merchandise store. I'm sure that one will be going in the future. So maybe they will become limited edition as well. But Stacey's store, that is full on bootleg. That is the back of the that is Temu stuff. That is back of the market. I love it though, Stacey. Maybe one day I'll purchase from you as well, Stacey. I've never seen your store, actually. Sensei, what have I missed? I like the show today. Yeah, James, it was a great show, wasn't it? Sensei, are you better with charts versus merchandise? Just saying. We've answered that. No, it's a family, not your show. Martyn's. What was the poll for this show or Martyn's? The poll is for this show currently, this one you're watching. Stacey, do you sell a 2025 mug? Looking forward to the magic mugs in your store. Try to message you on Discord. That was to Stacey. Lawrence, it's all sorted now. I think it would cost a fortune to send it from where you bought yours from to the US. MSK, a heat change mug for 2025. Just copy the exact design and sell it to MSK, Stacey. Well, Crafty Falcon blessed me and always pass it forward. Oh, amazing. I need to change the answer on my poll. I don't think you can change your answer once it's submitted. There we go. Is this show rubbish? No, 58%. 29% say yes. 12% say sort of. I'm happy that went that way. It was a bit too close for my liking, though. I need to change my answer. It's too late now. Are you on Discord? I can't find you. Jerry and Elba are having issues on Discord, unfortunately. Stacey, you could do a good heat change mug or even a heat change t-shirt. Okay, we need to stop talking about Stacey's bootleg store. I will have it by the end of the day. Stacey, I don't know what to say. Hey, Sensei, I bought myself a mug. Any chance I can get a quick review? Let's have a look. Do we have another mug purchase? I've got... yes, you did. Yes, you could get a review. So the mug you purchased was... Which one was it? Yes, you purchased just a normal mug. Normally, the other mug is a review, but I've said since I've started, that one gives you a full fundamental review. But if you want a technical review, let me know what you want me to have a look at, and we can do a review for you. Thank you for your purchase. We'll do a technical review for you. Sensei selling mugs to offset his crypto losses. It's actually, I'm telling you now, it's much more work than the actual profits we get, especially when the fundamental one is about an hour's video. The setting up of the store, I mean, I'm not going to get into it, but I think it's a nice thing for all members to have. It's a nice community builder. We're going to have a community channel for the mugs. We might do tea time with the mugs.
Jerry and Elba donated $10 through a super chat. No, we are a family here and me and my wife love it.
Amazing. Thank you very much for the super chat. How very nice. It is a family here. Yes, that is sure. No, that is true. That is for sure. So yeah, the mugs are great. It's going to be limited edition every month. Anything cool that happens, any special events. We're going to have a Discord channel. We might even have like a Twitter Spaces for it. Everyone gets together with their mugs, and we have a little private show where we talk to each other while having tea. I know that's what James would like to have, a time where we all have tea together. So it is the start of something very cool. I'm doing it more for the community than for anything else. And it just gives another opportunity for as many reviews to be done for you guys. We need a new poll. It's Martyn. Martyn, we've got a poll request from a member. We need a new poll. Is Martyn or Sensei's show better? Martyn, it's a member. We have to always do, that's a member's perk. You get to do a poll. If my Stacey Bailey's designs are actually top notch, got to say. I look forward to seeing them. I would like a colour changing mug with a tennis court and a bar. Brian, message us on Discord and we can get it for you. Martyn, Lucas and Sensei Coffee next. We can do, but we have to wait and see. They're all going to be limited edition drops. This is the first one. This is the first ever Martyn and Martyn Lucas Investor and Sensei Crypto collection. It's the first of many. This is going to be worth thousands in the future. But this is going to be the first of many. but they're always going to be limited. They're always going to be for members, and they're always going to have perks for you guys. Let me go back to this screen. Here we go. We've got the poll. Who is best, Martyn or Sensei? Boo. That's not fair. That's not. You know who I'm voting for? I'm voting for myself. It'll be rude not to. Ooh. Let's see. Let's see. I think Martyn's going to win that one. Thank you for the super chat, Jerry and Alba. Very, very kind. Could you do a review of what crypto AI 167? That is something I've never heard of. AI 167. What is that? What is this? We're going to have to look at the website as well. Just looking at the chart right now. Market cap is 2.27 billion, so it should be in the top 100. Let me see if I can find it on Coin Market Cap as well. I'm surprised I've never heard of it. Maybe it's a coin that's renamed itself. AI 16Z. AI 16Z. What is this? $2? Let's see what this is. Is it a meme coin? Ooh. Oh, it's 201. Where did you find this coin? How did you come across this, Darryl Lee? Must be a meme token by the looks of things. Let me find its website. Oh God. I would be very, very careful with this. I would be very, very careful. I'm trying to look into this, but it doesn't look right. The website doesn't work. It looks like a meme coin. It looks like it's on Solana. A lot of scams on Solana at the moment. I'm just trying to figure out what this is. Yeah, this is not looking. Where did you find out about this coin? That's what I want to know. Let me see. Where did you hear about this coin? Where did you find it? Because it's got a lot of red flags. Dowley, I just want to know. It will help me understand what we are looking at. Bars to fully stop. We'll come back to that. You did. If we don't look at this one, we'll look at another one. But I wanna just protect all our viewers. I want to first figure out where you came across it. Can you? We haven't got a response yet. Let me get back. Tough poll. Oh, I'm winning. I didn't expect that. But only 19 votes though. Can you check RGTI? Jerry and Elbow, we will hopefully have time to look at that. Someone's purchased a mug and they want to. But you did also give a super chat, but you just did it the wrong way. Let's have a look at your token as well. Very quickly, RGTI. It is a stock. It is called Rigetti Computing, and we've looked at it before. It seems. I can tell you this very quickly because we've already previously looked at this. Let's have a look at it on the weekly. I'll tell you very quickly. So it IPO'd at about $10, came down, had its sort of double bottom, sort of higher low, then it came out of the accumulation, and then it got back above all-time highs. So right now you've got support below you at $12, you've got resistance up ahead at $20. Some people buy at support, some people sell at resistance. For me, if I was looking to get an entry, I wouldn't be buying it right now. I think I've missed the boat by now. The place I would consider buying some would be around $12, $13. If I was holding it from these prices down here, I would have already sold some at $12.75. If I got in a bit later, I would be selling at $20 $10.50. Remember, anything I say during this live stream, anything I'm saying about the stock is not financial advice. This is just my thoughts and opinions only. So normally when I buy something, let's say my average cost was somewhere in the middle. I bought this at $5. I would look at resistance. Okay, there will be some resistance at $10. Maybe I sell 10% there. I ladder out my position. So I sell some at the IPO price, $10. I sell some at all-time highs, $12. I sell some at, I imagine that is a Fibonacci level. We can have a quick look. Yes, that's the 1618. That's my main target. I'll probably sell 20, well, probably about 40% at about $20, and then anything remaining I would sell at $33. So right now, if I haven't bought this before, I wouldn't be buying it. If I've bought it previously, I would have sold some by now, but holding the rest until $20 and $33. But the trend looks like it's continuing to the upside right now. The momentum is definitely on the side of the bulls, but I would not be surprised if we get a pullback down to $12. Thank you, Jerry and Alba. Tough poll. I can't vote. You're both part of the family. Jerry and Alba, I love it. Thank you very much. Please smash the like button. Yes, please do hit that like button. Let's see how many likes we have, how many people on the show. Thank you, James, for always doing a great job as a moderator. We've got 81 people watching and only 26 likes, so please do hit that like button. That really does help. They have each other. They each have their focus, and both are amazing, says Jenny B. Thank you so much, Jenny B, for all your support. MSK should request hose merch is better. I like both the shows. I took profit at $2.44. What do you think it'll drop back below $2.20 again? I assume you're talking about XRP. We'll come on to XRP in a little bit. It's not who's best, it's who we like. We need both, like Jordan and Pippen. 70% sensei. 70% sensei. I think I was just doing that to annoy Martyn, to be honest. I know who I would choose. I should have voted. I would have voted for Martyn. Shane has said, it's not who's best. Oh yeah, we've already done that. Just vote. It's all good. Fun, friends. Yes. Voting for Martyn's ended the poll. I love it. 30 votes. 30% Martyn. 69% sensei. Boo. Okay, let me answer some of these questions. I think I'll just need to see what Darren's response was to why he bought why he suggested that cryptocurrency, because to me it looks like a scam. So I'm just trying to find that and make sure none of our members get scammed. Voting for Martyn is also voting for you. Yes, it is. The question is, who is Jordan then? I bought the last Magic edition. I will send you the 2 limited editions once I get them. Oh, wow. Okay, so as soon as I fulfill the order, which I have to do by confirming it, that will drop down to, I have to do it after the show. So someone might buy an additional Magic mug, so there might actually be 6 of them out there. Because I have to do that. I have to manually fulfill these orders and then update the website. So while I'm on the show, there might be 6 Magic mugs out there if someone else buys it. So we will have to. I'll probably do the show for another 30 minutes, and then that Magic mug will be gone forever. I bought the last Magic edition mug. I will send it you the 2 limited edition at once I get them. Wow, Lawrence, that is a very, very kind. I think Jerry and Elba would appreciate that. Amazing. Okay, John Birch, A1 has been on social media. I'm not too sure about it. John Birch, I'll be very careful with. They're all over the YouTube comments. Be careful in YouTube comments. I go through there every day. I'm trying to delete them. It's just impossible to do so. There's there's a lot of people. When you see there's about 50 likes or 100 likes on comments on the size of the channel we are here, there is very unlikely that we will have a lot of 50 like 100 like comments in the comment section. Maybe on very popular videos we will, but if you see irregularities, and let me talk to you about some irregularities. I don't want anyone getting scammed. So irregularities would be a 20 um, a comment section on YouTube where someone's saying, "Oh, I've made great success in this. I've used this person," and then there's a comment. There's a thread of comments underneath, all saying, "Yes, that person's amazing. I've used them. I've made lots of money." If it sounds too good to be true, it's too good to be true. If it looks like it's got too many likes for the amount of views the video has, it's got too many likes. That is a fake comment. If you go on YouTube and you see something with 100,000 likes and it says "send me crypto and I'll double it," that is fake. If you go on the Twitter posts on a cryptocurrency account or a financial account, there will be so many scam comments. So be very careful, especially with crypto. You have to be very careful. And right now, this is, to me, it's looking like a scam. I want to see how Darren found this, because he's the one who suggested it. And let me buy a magic mug. Yes, Stacey. Did you buy another one, Stacey? Well, you've got a full fundamental review and a technical review. So let me and Martyn know. No one else buy a magic mug, because I have to manually go and fulfill the order, and then that would mean that's when I'll know that it's out of stock. What a bounce back GRR is having. Wish I bought some more. Yeah, if we look at GRR, remember our technical analysis the other day. We said, oh, if I zoom in, go on the daily, it's just a piece of art, isn't it? $25 resistance. What happened? It sold off. What did I say? It went to a support level of $16. It got back above the $18 support. And I said, when it gets back above the $18 support, you're probably going back to $25. So literally in a matter, and these are daily candles. So one day you've made, in 2 days, you made 53%. The next day on resistance, you saved yourself 40%. And at that level of support until now, you've made another 44%. That's like doubling your money in 3 days. It's absolutely amazing. Again, it's not financial advice. It's just learn the power of charts, learn what charts mean, learn what support and resistance is, and hopefully over time, over the requests you do, you will learn these methods as well. You know, everyone voted Sensei because we are watching him. Poor Martyn, poll is not fair. Poor Martyn, poll is not fair for Sensei. Yeah, I mean, if Martyn did it on his show, it would be like 90% Martyn and 10% Sensei. Where is my cat? I want to buy a limited edition magic carpet. We don't sell those MS. Yeah, magic carpet, that would be... I found it on YouTube. You found it on YouTube. What do you mean you found it on YouTube? YouTube comments or YouTube video? Darren Lee, YouTube comments or YouTube video? As in on the comment section, or on or someone actually made a video about it? Someone credible made a video about it. Stacey, you should make a magic carpet ride mug for Mike. Can you please check GRR? Should I hold or sell? And Andy, I can't tell you whether to hold or sell. That is just not something we do on the channel. We don't give you financial advice. I don't tell you what you should do. Every person's situation is very different. Every person trades differently. Every person should have different strategies. Every person should do their own research. But I just told you what my thoughts are on GRR. XRP chart coming up. The army is now coming. Yes, we are going to get right into the XRP chart. We are going to do a full video for it as well. Dowley, it was a video. Can you send it to me on Discord? Because I'm very skeptical about this coin. Can you send it to me on Discord, Dowley? Don't worry, you've bought a mug. I'll do this chart analysis. I'll do you another one as well. But my main priority is making sure no one gets scammed, and I don't want you to get scammed. So I need to do some more research about this coin. If you can send me that video, that will help me identify whether or not it's a scam. Yeah. Where were we? Yeah, the XRP chart is definitely on its way. I'm just getting through all the comments, and then we'll do the XRP analysis. So thank you for all tuning in. If you do want to see the XRP chart, please do hit that like button. If you haven't done so already, please do subscribe as well. XRP and the crypto market is doing very well. We saw XLM go up 30% yesterday. That's one of XRP's rivals, but also at the same time they move hand in hand. XLM was a bit more oversold. It went up 30% just like we thought it would, and we're going to look at all the cryptocurrency market in just a second. Just getting through all the comments. Martyn shocked me today with his great singing voice. Yeah, he never fails to amaze, does he? XRP chart is coming, yes. Do you think Mobix Labs will execute in the next 2 to 3 years? What do you mean by execute? What do you mean? Mobix just bought a company. Looks like there should be a positive cash, hopefully. Mobix just bought a company. Mobix just bought a company. Let's look at the stock price. I hold some Mobix, so hopefully that's done well for the stock price, and it doesn't seem like it has. What do you mean it's bought a company? Let's see if there's any news here. Nothing there. I mean, Mobix looks like it's coming back down to $1.20. Oh, so I would be careful. I don't have that news in front of me, but thank you for bringing that to us. Is XRP going to $10? So this is a poll we've got for you guys right now. I'm going to be brutally honest, and I'm going to say I'm undecided. Can it go to $10? Yes. Is it a realistic target? Yes. Will I be waiting to take profits at $10? No. That's just not what I'm doing. Not what I'm going to do. I bought XRP at 30 cents. I bought XRP at 40 cents. I bought XRP at 45 cents. I bought XRP at 50 cents. My average is probably around 45 cents. I bought XRP at one dollar last cycle. I've held XRP for. I actually bought XRP in 2017, so I've probably held some of my XRP for 7 years. Patience is key, but at some point, if you don't take profits, you'll probably lose most of it. Remember, cryptocurrencies go down 80-90% in a bear market. Everyone's first cycle in crypto, which I don't want anyone to make the mistake. I've done this. Anyone who's in crypto, ask them, they've done this. They've bought a token. They've said, oh, if I make 500%, if I 2x my money, if I 3x, if I 4x, if I 5x, if I 10x my money, I'm going to take my profits. And then when it gets to those prices, they want to take their profits. They don't take profits. They lose it all. The crash comes down. They don't sell. And not selling, making money is the easy part. Keeping it is the hard part. Why is it? It's because emotions get the best of you. You think it will continue going higher. You see all the good news at the top, and then you hold the bag and you don't make any profits. That's why I'm not holding to $10. Can it go to $10? Yes, it can. Is it more likely to go to $4 to $5? Yes. Am I going to take profits this cycle? Yes, I am. Where am I happy to personally to take my profits? $4 to $5. It might not even get to $4 to $5. I think it will. I think there's a good chance it'll make all-time highs. And $4 to $5 is I've already taken my initial out, so even if it doesn't go to all-time highs, I don't mind. But I do think it's going to $4 to $5. That's why I'm taking probably most of my profits out there. Am I going to take profits at $10 as well? Am I going to hold on for $10? Yes, I am. I'm going to hold some for $10, and I'm going to keep a little bit for $33 as well. But the higher you go, the more unlikely it's going to be there. So is XRP going to $10? I'm undecided. Does it matter if it does? For me, not really. Would I prefer if it did? Yes. But we'll show you the chart in just a second. XRP is looking very, very interesting. So please do hit that like button if you want to see that XRP chart, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Yes, the fake traders are the real problem. They are everywhere. Also, guys acting like YouTube. Also, guys acting like YouTube that reach out with a WhatsApp number are scams. Yes, mobile phone scams. So Binance messaging you saying your account's been hacked, contact us immediately. Don't click on the link. Go on your official Binance account. Don't do it that way. Or Coinbase saying someone's just transferred you 1 Ethereum. Click here to claim it. Don't click there. If someone calls you and says, we're from Coinbase, give us, you're going to get a code on your screen, or we're going to email you a code, read us the code. Don't read the code. This is the same for not only crypto, but crypto is targeted heavily. These are scams to look out for. Don't ever panic. Don't ever think that if someone's scamming you, you need to act straight there right away. Take a breath, take a second. It's always better to analyze the situation than trying to panic and try and resolve a situation straight away. Just take a deep breath, use your common sense, and just do everything the official way. Go on the Coinbase app and see if you've been compromised. Go on the Binance website to see if you've been compromised. Don't trust text messages. Don't trust phone calls. Don't trust emails. Don't trust comment sections. Don't trust X accounts on Twitter and the Twitter feed. Don't trust YouTube videos that pretend they've got 100,000 views where they're saying send us your money and we'll double it for you. Don't trust that. There's a lot of AI fakes for Brad Garlinghouse, Elon Musk. Thank you, Dan, for bringing. You might have just saved someone there as well. With any other scams, let me know. We can let everyone know in the chat. Mobix to $2, $2.40. Right now, $2.40 is a level of resistance, but right now the downtrend we're below support, so it does look like we might come down to like $1.30 before we do go higher. We are going to do the. Are these popular magic mugs full of money? No, they are. These are the mugs. And once the show ends, this is going to no longer be available. I need to fulfill the order, and then that will update, and this mug will no longer be available. It's going to turn out to probably be a six magic mugs out there instead of 5. This one is still available. There's still 9 available of this mug. It's limited edition. It supports the channel. You get your review. I'll put the link in the chat. Anyone can buy themselves a mug. It's made in your own country or somewhere very nearby. Delivery costs are very low, and they give you perks and benefits, and it helps support the channel. So if anyone wants to buy a mug, that's where you do it. Let me get through all these comments and we'll do the XRP chart. How many people do we have with us now? We've got 191 people. Welcome in, everyone. Hit that like button. We are going to get onto XRP. We are going to get onto the cryptocurrency market. I think XRP can be at all-time highs by the end of the month. I think that's very possible. We have got Martyn calling in. How exciting. This is very exciting. I always love it when Martyn calls in. Let me put Martyn on the screen. I'm going to put him on this screen, on the full screen. Let's see if this works. Martyn, you're live on the show.
Thank you very much, Sensei. Okay, very exciting. We're just about to do an XRP chart analysis for you. This will go out as its own video later. Now, it's just being shared at the moment by the XRP Army and the Lucasades. So what we'd like you to do, there's just coming up to 200 watching live right now. We want to get 100 likes. So if everyone can tap the like button and take us to 100 likes, that would be fantastic. Because once we hit 100, YouTube will start suggesting this out. So Sensei, if you could encourage that, that'd be very exciting, because we want to get this news out. Is XRP going to $10? We did say over the last few days, I've been saying just about every day of the last 5 days that we were trading, that we are now into the Santa rally. The Santa rally is the last 5 trading days and the first 2 days of the new year, and we dipped, but we're back up again today. XRP did rally, the S&P did rally, and XRP did, and the S&P, sorry, I've said that twice now, I apologize, Nvidia, it's all rallied. So now we've got another day and a half to go of the rallies. Let's see where we end up. I'm just checking my chart right now. Where are we up to right now? It's just coming in at come on. Yes, it looks like we're just sold off at the moment, mid-morning. I expect to see that start again in an hour or so into the close. So the Santa rally is still in progress. And if we look at the XRP today, XRP was looking at it earlier in a massive rally yesterday. It's been selling off a bit, just going down with the main market, but we had 9% this week. So anyway, let's share this out. Tap the like button. Sensei's about to bring you one of his legendary charts. Congratulations, Sensei. I'm off to have my lunch. I just wanted to welcome all our XRP Army and Lucasades in the chat this afternoon. I will be back in a couple of hours for the closing bell. In between now and then, hand it back to you, Sensei. Cheers.
Thank you very much, Martyn, for coming on our show. Always a pleasure having you here. So yes, we are going to look at XRP. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Have we hit 100 likes? We're trying to get to 100 likes, and then we'll do the XRP chart. How many likes are we on now? We're on 66 likes. If you want to see the XRP chart, just hit that like button. It takes 1 second, doesn't cost a penny, and we can get this shared out to the XRP army, and then we can do the full analysis on if XRP is hitting that $10 mark. Are we going to continue this rally, and what my thoughts and opinions are? Let me just get through the comment section. Where were we? We were here. Do you sell your whole bag at resistance or just a percentage? It depends. Everyone's situation is very different. But what I personally do, if it's a long-term investment, then if it's a quick trade, for example, buying XRP at $2 a few weeks ago when it popped up 50% the next day, then the amount I bought at $2, I sold straight away because that was a great profit. If it's a long-term position, for example, my main XRP position, I wouldn't sell all of it. I'm happy to hold XRP for the long term. Same as if I was buying the S&P 500, I wouldn't want to get out the whole position unless I really thought a crash is coming or unless it's hit my main target. I would ladder out at my targets. Sure, I appreciate it. Thank you very much, Dowley. Don't worry, I know you want to get that review done. It's just better to take some time. Again, you can do your own research if you want to buy it now. I don't want you to get mad at me if it's gone up 100% tomorrow. But if I get time, I will. If you give me the time to look into it more, I can give you a better review. So message me on Discord. I'll do a special segment of the Sunday show for you. Going through 2 of your tokens. Chef fight 20,000 into Mobix sounds crazy. Well, it's all relative. If someone's got $2 million, 20,000 into Mobix doesn't seem that crazy. Like. Yes, 100 likes. We'll start the XRP segment. We've got 207 people watching. As soon as we hit 207, as soon as we hit 100 likes, we'll start the XRP side of the video. Let me just make sure we've got that working. Yes. Could you show your take profit levels for XRP? Yes, I can. I can show you my long-term levels. Of course I can. I share everything. I've got my whole strategy. It took me a very long time to make my strategy. All my take profit levels, they're very carefully thought out. I spent many, many years formulating this strategy, and I'll show you for free. Anyone watching will get my full take profit strategy. Just need 100 likes. There we go. I think at some point banks will hold crypto and be able to make passive income. Interesting. Lol, I won't live for that long. What do you mean, Jerry and Alba? We won't live for that long where you can hold crypto in your bank. Have you heard about Korea potentially running to XRP as a safe haven for whilst the economy is in turmoil? No, I have not. I wouldn't think they would. That sounds like fake news. Time to get to 100 likes to get suggestions on YouTube. Let's go. Yes, Martin, we are trying. How many likes do we have now? We are the XRP. We are at 100 likes. We've done it. We've done it. Okay, let me quickly read these. We are at the end of the comments. Me and Alba will be lucky to make 10 years. No, Jerry and Alba. What was I going to say? I hope you have a very happy new year. I'm wishing everyone who's watching right now, this is our second stream into the new year. I want to wish everyone a very happy and healthy new year. Enjoy every day. Don't count down the days. Every day is a blessing to be alive, and every day means a lot. So whether it's 10 years, 5 years, 1 year, 50 years, enjoy every single day. Do you think XRP will go down below $1 again? Oh, interesting question. You're not a member, so I don't have to answer. How do you think the altcoin season? Here's MSK, one of our top members, been a member for over a year. How do you think the altcoin season / bull market last? Do you reckon, based on historical charts? Based on historical charts, the actual altcoin season is about 1 month, 2 months. But in reality, how long do the altcoins perform well? About a year. Altcoin season, very quick. 1 month, 2 months, that is the end. Blow off top, finito. Altcoins performing well, still getting 2x's, 3x's, about a year. And it's mainly second half of the year of the halvening and the first half of the year after the halvening. So we are looking at going into an alt season in. We've had a little bit. We've gone sideways. We saw XRP go from 50 cents or 30 cents or 40 cents to $3 in a matter of a month. That is altcoin season. That is a part of altcoin season. Now we've had a cool down. Bitcoin's cooled down. Bitcoin will then go back up again. Altcoin season, when Bitcoin hits its top, goes up a lot, that liquidity will fall into the altcoins, and then XRP will go crazy again, and we'll probably see 200, 300, 400% gains on XRP within a month or two. So we'll have to continue monitoring the charts and keep a level head, because the emotions will be all over the place, especially when you're holding 200,000 worth of XRP and you're seeing $100,000 swings day to day. You need to keep emotions in check. VIR is at 538 and dropping. Is it too late to start buying XRP? Never too late, says someone. Let me get through these comments. We're doing the XRP chart now. How many people? Let me see this poll. Is XRP going to $10? 64% say yes, 18% say no, 70% undecided. We have got. We need moderators in the chat. We need moderators timing people out in the chat. Can the moderators get to work, please? There's a lot going on in the chat. We need moderators getting to work. This is your time to shine, moderators. We can go into members only mode, Martyn. Should we go into members only mode? We have a plan. I have MSK and Tierwes Zate. Thank you, Martyn. Family, please hit the like button. Yes, please do hit that like button. We are being when we talk badly about the scammers target us. So ignore what's in the chat. When we expose the scams, they come after us. I send you a friend request from Discord. I can share a video with you when you accept. Dowley, I'll do that straight after the show. Thank you. Whatever this is, it is a scam. Moon on ETH is a scam. Do not buy it. They are targeting us because we targeted them. Okay, let's look at XRP. Members only mode is on. Thank you very much, Martyn, for sorting that out very, very quickly. Let's look into XRP. We are in members only mode, so that attack is over. Will you tell us when you sell? Yeah, I'm always transparent. It doesn't mean follow me. I'm just being as transparent as I can be. This is why we have members. This is why we do members only mode. We'd like to target all our members' questions. To become a member, if you want to become a member, please do. And you want to continue the conversation. Unfortunately, the scammers have ruined it for everyone. They overtook the comment section. That's why we have members only mode. If you want to be verified and become a member, then the link is in the chat. Yeah, Stephen, don't worry about it anymore. I mean, they won't be able to comment because we are in members only mode. They are just scammers. We were exposing them, and then they come onto the show. They try and ruin it. So unfortunately, all the people that aren't members, you won't be able to comment anymore. If you do want to comment, there is the membership link for you there. So thank you for all the moderators doing all the hard work, but they have ruined it for the non-members. Jerry and Elba for XRP. We'll look at it now. Thank you.
Jerry and Elba donated $5 through a super chat for XRP.
Thank you very much, Jerry and Elba. Thank you for supporting the channel. Okay. Time to look at the XRP chart. I apologize for the scammers in the chat. That's why we have members only mode. Thank you, Martyn, for acting so swiftly. Thank you to all the moderators. I just started crypto and it's so exciting to me. Northern Tree Guy, stay with us. Stay every stream you see me do or Martyn do, come in, ask questions. If you're new to crypto, that's when you're probably going to be most likely to make bad decisions. Making bad decisions isn't always a bad thing. You learn from your mistakes, but if you can avoid mistakes, if you can learn from other people's mistakes, then it's always good. You can learn from our experiences. A few new things, if you're new into crypto, if this is your first cycle, it is exciting. There's nothing wrong with being excited, but you have to control your emotions. If you have a target, you buy XRP for $2, and in your head you're like, if it goes to $3, that's great profit. That's 3 years of the S&P 500. I will sell. then keep that in the back of your head. Don't let emotions get to you. Sell at $3 if that's right for you. Don't let other people persuade you. Taking profits is always key. If it's your first time in crypto, take profits. That's the main mistake people make. Be careful of scams. Always do your research. Come onto the chat. I'll always try and identify if something's a scam or not. Be cautious. Don't if something seems too good to be true, it's probably too good to be true. So if someone asks to double your crypto, send me your crypto and I'll double it for you, it's a scam. If someone asks, give me your wallet address, I'll help you with this. Don't do it. What else is main things if you're new to crypto? Understanding charts is very important. That helps you keep a level head. That helps you DCA in, DCA out. It's hard to make money in your first cycle. Most likely the emotions will get to you and you'll probably lose, but that's what we're trying to mitigate. That's what the channel's here for you to do. We're not like other channels. Every other channel will try and sell videos and talk nonsense just so they get clicks. We don't care about that. We just want to provide the best service to the members and keep everyone safe, and provide you with the real news. So what we're going to do now is provide you with the real news about XRP's chart. No worries, James. Okay, so this is XRP. Let me get it on my main chart over here. I'll show you, I've got a few charts for XRP. So one chart here is, let's go on this one. So here I've analysed previous cycles. If I go onto the weekly chart, I've analysed how those, like MSK was asking, how long do these normally last? I mean, last crypto XRP cycle in 21, which was suppressed by the law case, it was 200% in 8 days. So 8 days, that's how long the main gains lasted then. In 2017, where we actually had a proper good bull run for XRP, since from the breakout, 738% in 22 days. So we're talking a month here. A month you'll probably see the main gains. So that's what we're looking at here. We're looking for one final breakout or one final move to the upside, or one final alt season, especially XRP. Other coins might take a bit longer, but XRP always is very, very quick. So we've got our first breakout, our move to the downside. It's not a bull flag, but it is accumulation. It is healthy. I've said it's healthy because you went up very quickly. You want to come back to support. So if we go back to our main chart, that's just to show you some of the research I've done. We go on to our sell levels. We've had a big move to the upside. We hit resistance. I came on the show. I told everyone, what are my thoughts? We should do this as a video, to be honest, because everyone's going to be asking me about this later, and I want to have it in a video format. So let's do it as a video. If you're live watching it, stay here. It just means you'll get to see this before anyone else does. Please do hit that like button if you just tuned in. I'm going to turn this into a video so people that aren't in the live show right now can experience this later. But if you're live, you get the front row seat. You see it before anyone else. So let's do it as a video for you guys. Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investors channel. We are looking at XRP. It's having a good recovery. That $2 level was hit. It was a key level, and ever since we have been moving to the upside. Currently sat around $2.38. We have got bullish divergence on the chart. This might be the breakout that takes us to $5, $10, $33. So we're going to explore all of those levels and where I think this currency is going. It's my favorite cryptocurrency. I think it's going to perform very well, and I think it's on the cusp of a breakout. So please do hit the like button if you like XRP as well. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. But remember, anything I say in this video is not financial advice. This is just my thoughts and opinions only. And anything I say during this video, please do not copy my trades. It is just for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's look at the chart. So where are we? Let's just take a step back. I was just showing my viewers, this was during a live show that this was created. I was showing them my research on XRP's price. We are now in 2020. We are now in 2025. So this is the year after the halvening, which basically means previously we've seen that means it is the year where XRP and alts and Bitcoin perform the best. This is the year of the bull market. This is where we should see the majority of our gains. This is where we have to start being very vigilant and keeping on top of the charts and being very vigilant with how the stock is trading, getting ready to take profits. We don't want to be holding the bag. As I've just mentioned, the biggest problem people have in a bull market, it happens very quickly. You get too emotional, you end up not taking any profits, and you ride it down 90%, and then you have to wait another 4 years. I am not going to do that this cycle, and I'll explain to you why and where I think it's going and how I'm going to keep on top of it. So this is some of my research. This is 2017. I was just showing my viewers on the live stream how quickly bull markets start and finish. What we saw in 2017 was a 738% move in 22 days. That was the majority of the XRP games happened in 22 days. 738% in 22 days. That was the alt season. And there it was up and it was down. It was and then in 22 days that happened. And how long did it take for it to go down 80%? 28 days. It actually went down more than 80. Let me show you from the peak to that bottom over there. 28 days, it crashed 81%. So you have to be very quick. This isn't one you can just hold and leave for 2-3 years. Yes, you can hold it for the long term, 10-15 years, but it is very volatile, and you would have to wait for another 4 years until you see gains like this again. So we have to stay on top of it. And just before that 2017 run, we had the earlier 2017 run, which was 531% in 13 days. So that was 13 days, 531%, 22 days, 738%. This was 2021. Remember, there wasn't many gains for XRP. It was being suppressed by the court case. There is no longer a court case for XRP in terms of, is XRP a security? No, it's not. We already know that. That's why it was suppressed that time round. This time it is being listed on exchanges again. Back then it was delisted from exchanges, so it's a different set of scenarios. That's why it didn't perform that well. But even then, it did 200% in 8 days. So very quick. The majority after that breakout was 200% in 8 days. So after our breakout was about 63 cents, in my opinion. What have we done so far? We had a 300% move in 35 days. So it is completely normal when we move on to our main chart here, where this is my strategy on how I'm getting out this market. It is completely normal that we are accumulating, that we're going sideways, that we've had a little bit of a sell-off. It is very, very bullish that we've held $2. $2 was my first line of support. It's a major level of support, and that's what we've been trading. What are these green levels here? These are the levels that are also, in my opinion, these are the first levels I started selling XRP. Where was I buying XRP? Between 30 cents and 50 cents. Why am I selling at $3? Do I think it's not going any higher? No, it's just because I want to, it's my own strategy. Everyone should have their own strategy, but my strategy is to get my initial out. And why these green levels? Because they're very important Fibonacci levels where there might be retraces. The 786 from the all-time high was at $2.62. The 1618 from the 2021 high, a very important level, was at $2.98, and the all-time high is at $3.31. So when we hit these two levels, the 1618 and the 786, I decided to take out my initial and a plus a little bit more. That's when I came out and I did a video titled 50% drop. Not because I thought a 50% drop was coming, but because I wanted to bring you the information, something that's not clickbait, because I explained in the video a 50% drop can occur, but what's more likely, if you go back and watch the video, I said is a 30 to 40% drop. Why did I title it 50% drop? So I can bring it out to you and show you and entice you into the video to explain to you, yes, a 50% drop can occur. What I'm expecting is a 30 to 40% drop, and just to make it clear to you guys that 50% drops are very, very normal in cryptocurrency, and you have to be prepared for it. If you're not prepared for a 50% drop in the cryptocurrency market, you're in the wrong place. So what occurred when I put out that video? Well, at resistance, I explained I wanted to come on and tell you exactly what I'm doing with my money. We had a 35% correction. That is exactly in line with what I thought. Also in that video, I said it's not a matter of when, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when we get a 50% drop. And I explained to you in a bear market, in a crypto bull market, in the history of a cryptocurrency, a 50% drop is not that unlikely, and it will definitely happen in the bear market once XRP is its top, whether it's $4, $5, $10, $33, it will 100% drop 50%, it will probably drop 80%. So if you think you're not going to be on a volatile journey, you are. So that was the first drop, then $2 was a support, then we made another 43% move to the upside, then we came back down to $2 was support again, and in a few days we made another 20%. And then this time around, what was interesting was I was predicting this drop to $2 because There was a line of support, but it wasn't a very strong line of support. And $2, if we came back down to $2, it would have been bullish divergence. What is bullish divergence? Why am I talking about bullish divergence? Because this bullish divergence is very important. If you go to a daily time frame, what you see is a higher low on the wicks. I do look at the wicks. Someone was mentioning Discord, why do you look at the wicks? Because that's because we're looking at quite a small time frame here. Wicks are important. It does show that last time round, the first time it dropped, all the buy orders were filled. It came down to $1.90. The next time, $1.97. This time $2. So all the buy orders are filled. The bulls are holding the $2 level stronger and stronger every time. Limit orders are set up there. They're not letting the price get below $2 this time around. And what that means is that it's a higher low. And on the RSI, what do we have? We've got, if you look down here on the chart, we've got a lower low. In trading terms, that's called bullish divergence. Bullish divergence is what you look for. This bullish divergence, if the rest of the market continues moving up, what we need is the S&P 500 to go up or sideways, just not a big sell-off. That will lead Bitcoin to get back above 100,000, and then Bitcoin might go on another run. And what will happen is XRP has that momentum of the bullish divergence. It has that support that's held at $2, and then it can take out the 786 at $2.61, break out this trend, make higher highs. That's what we need to see next, is higher highs. We need to get back above $2.60. If we get back above $2.60, I think all-time highs will happen in a week or two. As soon as we get back up that $2.60 and we close a daily candle there, we are only 10% away from that level now. And why is that level so important? Because just like we had higher lows here, we need higher highs. We don't want a lower high. For example, if we flip this chart, I'll show you what I mean. We invert the chart. We don't want, and how we're looking at now, we don't want higher lows. We want lower lows so that trend breaks. So let me invert it again, and that hopefully explains it to you. We need to get back above this red sloping trend line and get back above the 786. That will mean the trend has changed. The higher lows have kept in force. We now have a higher high. That's all-time highs being broken. And then in another 22 days, if we have another 400% move to the upside, we are looking at potentially a $10, actually even higher, we're looking at an $11 XRP. So that can happen. That's happened in the past. That is one of the options. But we need to get back above $2.60. We'll break out of all-time highs. I am not going to be waiting to $10 to take my profits. I've already taken my initial out. I'll probably take out most of my profits between $4 and $5. Probably maybe 20%. 30% $4.71, another 20% at $5.27, another 10-15% at $6.33. Another 10% at $7.42, another 10% at $8.51, and then what's remaining I'll split between selling at around $10 and $33 if we get there. There won't be much left there, but I will keep some just in case we do. I don't need to wait for it to go as high because I bought it at the lows. So those are all my levels. All these levels are researched. These are I've explained to them on the chart why I'm selling at those levels. No one can predict the top to the cent. That's why my strategy is leveling out. My strategy might not be suited to you. Do your own research. The 2618 from the 2021 high, that's my first take profit. The 1618 from the all-time high, that's a very important level, $5.30. 3618, 432, the 2618. So I'm giving myself the best chance of averaging out at the highs rather than trying to pick one certain price. So that's my full strategy on taking my profits. What's good to see on the RSI on the daily is we're not overbought, but we're in the bullish control zone. What's good to see on the MACD is we were red. That's why we were moving down and sideways, but the momentum is shifting back, and I won't be surprised to see the MACD switch green in the next couple days. So it's looking good. It is getting to the very important stage. It's going to get exciting. It's going to get emotional. It's going to get volatile. But that final run of XRP is where I think is the best point to take profits, because it's going to get exciting. A lot of people are going to say XRP is going to go to $100 this cycle. XRP is going to go to $50. But in reality, that's probably when the high, the market top is going to be, is when everyone's the most excited. So I wish everyone the best of luck. I'm going to continue streaming. I'm going to continue telling you what I'm doing with my money. And I hope you continue watching, hitting that like button, subscribing, and I hope you appreciate what we do here. But I'm never going to lie to you. I'm never going to be like other channels and trying to sell videos by sensationalism. I'm going to always be honest, tell you exactly what I'm doing, and be here throughout the bear markets and the bull market. So if you did enjoy this video, there will be 2 videos, one up here, one down here for you to watch. But do stay tuned. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, that was the XRP video. So now I can respond to the members' questions. We've got 266 people here. If you did enjoy that, if you want your own analysis for any cryptocurrency, what we've got is limited edition mugs. We will have some XRP ones, I think, soon as well. But right now, we've got the New Year's one. There was only 20 available, only 9 left now. So I'll give you that link. If anyone wants to support the channel, please do consider buying a mug. It does help the channel. It helps support us. It's a very nice collectible item. I'll do a review for you. And it's not the bootleg version like Stacey Bailey. This is how we're going to promote Stacey as well, by just making jokes all the time. Let's see what everyone thought of that. Let's see what everyone's thoughts are on XRP. Let's see if there's any questions. I will be ending this show soon, so please do get your questions in now. If you want to become a member, let me give you the link. I do think this works. Oh, I need to set something up for that, but no worries, I've got the link here as well. If you want to become a member and ask your questions, I will give you the link now. We are members only mode because we're exposing the scammers and the scammers came after us. I think we got them all. I'm watching now. If you want to go back, I'll nail them instantly. Stacey, thank you very much. Thank you. Whack a troll. Sensei, should I get some of the coin named after? I have no idea what that is, Matt. Sorry, Sensei, I was just making a tea, so I was late to whack a troll. No worries. I'm back to help too, says Mike. Thank you. Comment sections are the worst. Scammers have full conversations with them. That's why we are members only a lot of the time. We try to not be it all the time, but members are always our #1 priority in keeping you guys safe. Northern February or indicators. What are you talking about? I think members only mode is off, so moderators be ready. Go. We thank you for keeping us safe. No worries, JRNL, but that is what we are here to do. The other scam is the crypto arbitrage. It's also a huge scam. Don't fall for it. Thank you, Dan. He's being be careful of crypto arbitrage. Your poll says will XRP hit $10. In what kind of time frame are we talking? And the way I was thinking about it was this cycle. So in the next sort of, I do think XRP will hit $10 at some point in the next 4 or 5 years. But the way I was reading it was this cycle. So in the next year. I have XLM and XRP. I hear about XRP, but I'm glad I didn't. I did have some XLM. Would you suggest to have all my crypto money in only XRP or XLM, or also others like Su and HBAR also? So I can't tell you the best thing to do. I can't tell you what to suggest, because I'm not an advisor and I can't advise you over YouTube anyway. But my strategy is I can tell you what I have. I've got XRP, I've got XLM, I've got HBAR, I've got Gala, I've got Ethereum, I've got Audius, I've got SNX, I've got Filecoin, I've got Toncoin, I've got Cake, I've got Flare, I've got Sandbox, I've got Dot, I've got what else do I have? That's probably most of it. I've got Doge, although I sold a lot of Doge. So I go for the strategy where I diversify. Most of my money is in XRP and XLM. So just because I love XRP the most doesn't mean I won't buy other coins. Keep XLM and XRP, have more XRP. That's what I do, Joe. Coinbase dropped 30% in 25 days. I'm kind of ready to invest, but not sure about my technicals. Give me support 220, and we're not there yet. What is your take? Let's have a look at Coinbase. I want to buy some Coinbase as well. So we can have a look at Coinbase. VU is down again today, maybe time to buy some more. I sold all my XRP at $2.40. I don't know what's best to do in that situation. Congratulations on your holdings, Ron. We are back to subscriber mode, so anyone can comment. Uphold sucks to trade XRP, you will lose out. HRP, XRP, XGC, XLM, Flare, Casper. I own HY, XRP, XLM, and Flare. You like AMP as well. Stacey Elbow is excited about the cups. Oh, that's amazing. Thank you, Stacey, for doing that. Should I hold? That is up to you. Do you think XRP will get higher now that XRP bounced at $2, or would it come back to resistance? I can't tell, but you have to just be prepared for each situation. We can't tell the future, but we need to be prepared for each situation and see what's more likely. We can come back to XRP chart and I can give you my thoughts. So we had that gap fill. That's why Coinbase came down to at least 270, and then we've got this other gap fill. So 210, if we come down to 210, that is a great buy zone for me. That's what I would be looking for on Coinbase. Remember, our trade on Coinbase, we bought it at $61. We actually bought it at $35. If you remember when Martyn bought Coinbase, it was around $35. The trade was at $62. The take profit was at $210. The next take profit was at $350. Both of them got hit. What I'm waiting for now is for it to come down to $210. It might never go there, but that's where I'd feel comfortable buying it. There is a little bit of support here as well. So if you're really desperate to buy it, there is support where we are right now as well, but just a little bit. Let me answer that XRP question about the higher high. But we need to finish the show very shortly. Yeah, I do think it's more likely we'll get higher high. Why? Because there's the bullish divergence, there's the higher lows. So and we're back above the $2.40 level. So it looks more likely that we'll get a higher high. But to be sure, we need to get to the higher high at $2.68. That's why I entered the position at $2, because my risk is minimal. If we don't get the higher high, then I can still take some profits. If I'm looking to trade this very short term, and my buy-in is at $2. Trying to buy here is a bit, the strategy is not on your side. You're sort of in the middle of no man's land. You are towards the bullish side, but buying at $2 is obviously better, and that's level of support. So right now, I wouldn't be buying, but I would still be more bullish than I am bearish. I do think it's showing signs that we're going to make a higher high, especially with that bullish divergence and how we've reacted to that $2 level. It also matters on what the S&P 500 and Bitcoin does as well. I don't know much about Casper. Ron, only found you a week ago. Fantastic TA. You and Martyn have great shows. Thanks. Keep up the great work. Thank you to Big Paws. If you want to support the channel, and if you can either become a member, well, I'd suggest becoming a member is the first thing to do. But we also have merchandise. Let me show you this. If anyone's still watching, thank you very much. We're going to end the show, but if you want to be part of an exclusive club of limited edition mug holders, or if you want your own technical review, then this is the website. Please do consider supporting the show this way as well. 157 likes. Thank you all for liking the show. GRRR is flying again. Sell targets for XLM. If you were a member, I would show them to you as well. Minar Jazz. But let's wrap up the show with GRRR. Gorilla Technologies is coming up to resistance. $25. Remember, if it breaks $25, I'm looking at $70. So coming up to resistance again for GRRR. What an amazing few days on GRR. How much money was there to be made? Thank you all for tuning in. Just for the fun of it, let's answer the non-members question, which was about XLM. My levels on XLM are, the next level would be around 62 cents. Then we're looking at 21 highs, 80 cents. Then you're looking at all-time highs at 93 cents. Then you're looking at the 1618, which would be somewhere around $1.50. Yeah, you're looking at $1.46. And if you're really bullish, you're looking at $2.30. And also ETH is actually looking a little bit tempting now. I never really liked ETH, I've held it, but Ethereum is looking tempting with the ETH BTC valuation. Just to bring it to your attention, ETH BTC is looking, it's in the area, it's in the buy ETH/ALTS area towards the bottom of it, so Ethereum's also looking a little bit tempting. Bitcoin dominance is also made just a lower high, so altcoin season is when Bitcoin dominance drops below 55% and you start getting down to the 40%, and that can happen very quickly. We need something like this to occur, where Bitcoin dominance drops from 60% to 40% in about 40 days. So altcoin season lasts about 40 days. The main part of it lasts about 40 days. So we're looking mid 2025, March, April, sell and may go away sort of situation for, that's my base case. It might change, that's why we have to stay tuned, but sell and may go away is looking like the time to get out. Minaj Jazz, no worries at all. Happy birthday, Ron. Is it Ron's birthday? Great chart analysis as always, Sensei. Thank you, MSK, for the support as always. Is it Ron's birthday? Ron, if it's your birthday, tune into Martyn's show, The Closing Bell. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye bye.